Welcome back here to Punta Cana. All you can see, welcome back to the beautiful Dominican Republic. Today another hotel video. We're at the adults only Punta Cana Princess from the Princess group. And I'm happy that I can show you the hotel today. And if you're lucky, maybe I can show you also a room later. It's a very small adults only. I think they only have 256 rooms. I have to look it up. And it's directly here at the Bavaro Beach. I can see the ocean from here and it's turquoise blue, Caribbean. A little bit windy today, but that's okay. It's refreshing. You can see the pool behind me and the buildings are on both sides. So everything is easy and fast to reach. Yeah, as I said, I'm happy that I can show you the hotel today only with a day pass, but better than nothing. I have to work later on. And today's sponsor, by the way, the company that sponsors all this, it's my own. It's the Extreme Buggy Tour. So for everybody that's driving stick shift, if you're coming to Punta Cana, check out Extreme Buggy and have a good time with us out here in the Dominican Republic. I'm just mentioning this. I always see videos myself where everybody has sponsors. I have to sponsor myself with my own work, but no complaints. It allows me to have a day here at the beautiful Punta Cana Princess with a view to the ocean. But let me show you the hotel. Let's go. 24 hours all-inclusive resort, 5 restaurants, a snack bar, 3 bars, 256 rooms, 14 honeymoon suites. The Punta Cana Princess was designed as the more quiet resort, not only adults only, but quiet in particular. It's really small, and for people that seek a little bit more action, they can use the Caribe Club Deluxe or the Tropical Princess. That said, it's not always possible. Sometimes in low season it's not, so please check before you book if this is the case when you are coming here on vacation. It's 24 hours all-inclusive, but of course you can buy a VIP service that gives you better internet. You can use the sunbeds at the beach and of course top shelf liquor. Many more things. Read it up.
I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. When you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent. Then you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do it like that. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we'll dance. We ain't got no plans. I like it with you. I like it with you. And the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. We're taking up the trash and the burdens. But we got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it with you in it. And make me take a little look. Can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in. Now out again. I'm still understanding just how you do. The magic when you look at me. Know what I'm saying? It inside your sea.
The good thing is the towels are without a card here at the water sports at the beach down there, but only if they have them. Right now they don't have towels. We are here just at the Cayenne Club at the end of the Punta Cana Princess, and this is the damage that there wasn't even a storm. A couple of days bad weather, a lot of waves have made here to the beach. Big impact, big. Here you have the schedule of the sports and animation program, so you know when to be where and what to expect. Right next to it here at the beach is a Mare Nostrum. You can have breakfast here, and then it closes, I think, from 12 until 3. It opens at 3 as a snack bar and then stays open the whole night. The Mare Nostrum has a beautiful view to the beach. So you actually can have your breakfast or your first coffee, whatever you like, seeing the sun coming up and having your coffee, because they do have a coffee maker as well. I think this would be one of my favorite places if I would stay here. At the beach there are preparations for a wedding today. You maybe remember that they have 14 honeymoon suites, so imagine. A lot of people like to come down here to the Dominican Republic and get married here. It's a very popular wedding destination. Here we are at the pool. It's a good sized pool, because while they are here playing volleyball, you still have quiet areas. Here you have some water aerobics. I think I've seen them twice a day. Some games, some entertainment, not too much, but enough to keep people busy, but not enough to, well, get tired of it. The swim-up bar, so you can have drinks, and everything is in walking distance. Nothing is really far away because it's quite a small hotel and there are no long ways to walk. Nicole was nice enough to show me the room that she stayed in. She always stays in the same room. She is a repeating customer here at 4113. Getting inside, to the left is the bathroom. There is a big, large whirlpool, which she has never used. There is a hairdryer, a phone in case you want to make some phone calls from your bathroom. And then there is a shower and a toilet. Both have their own door, so you won't flood all the bathroom when you're taking a shower, and you have your privacy over here. Just on the upper side of the whirlpool, there is your bed in this room. And I liked the other direction because it's facing the balcony, and if you open the curtains, you even can look outside. Here is a nightstand, another phone, 110 volts US standard sockets, so you have to bring your USB adapter if you need one. Here's a mini bar, refilled every day. Coffee maker is on top, so you can make your coffee and enjoy it from your balcony in the morning. Little seating area and the sofa bed on the other side, so you can book this room with more than just 2 people. Balcony is over here. 2 chairs, a little table. View to the pool, and you can also see the ocean from here. And that's what I thought. If you're in your bed and you have everything open, maybe you can even see the stars. If you're looking for details, like here, for example, at the balcony, you will find some things that could be fixed. Rumor has it that the rooms are to be renovated next year. Even they were just renovated during the pandemia when everything was closed. But here close to the ocean, things just rusting much faster than in a normal dry environment. So have this in mind if you come here right now. The safe is included. Works with the code. Here in the wardrobe, you have also your ironing board. And of course an umbrella. We do have tropical rain showers here. We couldn't find the iron, so the iron was a little bit hidden. On the other side here, I found it. So have a look around if you don't see it right away. They have a lot of repeaters here at the Punta Cana Princess, and they treat them very well. I can tell you that I've been there one day, and these three, they're all repeaters. They were just treated like family. Wherever we went, everybody knew them. There's a USB in your television, so you can bring a USB, you can bring movies, or put your Fire Stick or whatever you have. Remember that the internet is not very good if you're not VIP. The main restaurant, the main buffet, just next to the reception area. Food choices for everybody. You can work your way through it. Start with the soup, end with the soup. Have some salad. As well, they have different cooking stations. This one here had meat, today chicken and pork. And on the other side they had fish. As well, two choices. And then you just mix it up. Here you can mix your own salad. I found that they had a lot of fresh vegetables and salad. There is a salad sauce. Just find your combination. White rice, carrots, more chicken, some broccoli. If you look on top, you find information cards in different languages. So in case you're not sure what you are eating, you can read it up here. All the cards that I read were correct. Sometimes they mix it up a little bit, but as well they had Spanish here, so I think that makes it more easier for the person that puts the cards to put them correctly. Beans, more fish, and then the pizza and pasta place. They also prepare the pasta here for you fresh. You choose your vegetables and the kind of sauce that you like, which pasta, and then it's freshly made just in front of you. Of course, the sweets. Chocolate, not chocolate, fruits, no fruits, cream, no cream. Beautiful decorated. And as well they had ice cream. You will be served at the table if you like wine or beer or water, juice. And not only sweets, but also fresh fruits. That's it for today, guys, here from the Punta Cana Princess here at the Bavaro Beach. I hope you liked the video. A lot of repeaters come here, a lot of people that really like this hotel and like the stuff that's working here. Really impressive, I have to say. and maybe one day you're one of them. So for me, that's it. We enjoy a little bit more the pool, and maybe we see you here, Punta Cana, Bavaro.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.